Hello everyone, let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 8. I'm going to explain about classifier. Chapter 8 or Bab 8. Classifier. Orang, ekor, batang, buah, biji. When counting objects, we have to use a class of words which we call penjodoh bilangan. Penjodoh bilangan is classifier in English. For example, the classifier keping corresponds to the English sheet in the expression of 4 sheets of paper. There are many classifiers in Bahasa Melayu, but the most commonly used ones number just about a dozen. We shall, however, learn a few at a time in order of their importance. Okay, number 1 of classifier. Orang. Orang means person or people. We use orang when we count human beings. For example, 3 orang polis. 3 policemen. 3, 3. Police, policeman. So we put orang before police or any person here. 10 orang penuntut. 10 university students. 10, 10. Penuntut, university students. 6 orang tukang masak. 6 cooks. 6, 6. Tukang masak, cooks or chef. Tukang is a profession, masak, cook. Number 2. Ekor. Ekor means tail. We use when we count animals, such as birds, fish, insects, etc. 5 ekor kambing. 5 goats. 5, 5. Kambing, goats. 10 ekor itik. 10 ducks. 10, 10. Itik, ducks. 4 ekor ikan. 4 fish. Seekor nyamuk. A mosquito. Se means 1, 1. 3. Batang. Batang for a rod-like objects such as poles, cigarette, pens, pencil, etc. 2 batang pen. 2 pens. 5 batang pensel. 5 pencils. 20 batang rokok. 20 cigarettes. 20 is 20. Puluh is tens. 10, 20, 30, we put the word puluh. Rokok, cigarettes. Number 4, buah. Buah means fruit. We use buah for objects which are usually large or cubical in appearance, such as countries, buildings, rivers, ships, vehicles, furniture, rooms, islands, books, computers, etc. For example, sebuah pulau, an island. 2 buah kerusi, 2 chairs. 3 buah rumah, 3 houses. 6 buah motorcar, 6 cars. Motorcar is an old Malay word for cars. Now we use kereta. 6 buah kereta, 6 cars. 10 buah komputer, 10 computers. 5 biji. Biji means seed. We use for spherical objects such as cups and also for fruits, eggs, eyes, etc. 5 biji kelapa. 5 coconuts. Kelapa, coconuts. 4 biji cawan. 4 cups. Cawan, cup. 9 biji telur. 9 eggs. Telur, eggs. When we attach to a classifier, the word satu is always contracted to se. Usually becomes se. Like here, 1 buah pulau. Satu buah is incorrect. It's sebuah pulau. But in conversation, informal conversation, you can use satu before classifier, no problem. So these 5 orang, ekor, batang, buah and biji usually we use in conversation. It's familiar. We always use these 5s. But what if you don't use this? No problem, we still can understand it. Words to remember. Nouns. Ayam, chicken. Bilik, room. Burung, bird. Cawan, cup. Harimau, tiger. Ikan, fish. Itik, duck. Kambing, goat. Kapal, ship. Pembaris, ruler. Mangga, mango. Mangga also means padlock. But here mangga is a fruit, mango. Negeri, state. Nanas, pineapple. Nyamuk, nyamuk, mosquito. Pisang, banana. Pulau, island. Basikal, bicycle. Telur, egg. Kelapa, coconut. Adverbs, berapa, how many or how much. Sahaja, only. Or we also shorted this sentence, sahaja become saja, S-A-J-A, saja in conversation. For example here, tunai sahaja means cash only. It's familiar here in a highway, in a toll. Like here, tunai, sahaja. Tunai means cash. That means this lane for cash. And this sahaja, touch and go, sahaja. Only touch and go, no cash. And here, tambah nilai. Tambah nilai means tambah means add. Nilai means value. It means reload. Reload, touch and go card. So sahaja, only. Here touch and go sahaja. Only touch and go card. Tambah nilai, reload the touch and go here. Now we go to conversation or perbualan. From the word bual. Bual means chat, chatting. Awak ada ayam? Ya, saya ada ayam. Do you have chicken? Yes, I have. Awak ada berapa ekor ayam? How many chicken? How many chicken do you have? Or do you have how many chicken? Saya ada 8 ekor ayam. I have 8 chickens. Saya ada 8 ekor ayam. I have 8 chickens. Awak ada itik? Do you have ducks? Ya, saya ada itik. Yes, I have. Ada berapa ekor? How many? How many of ducks means? Ada 10 ekor. I have 10 ducks. Siapa ada ikan? Who got fish? Tukang masak ada ikan. A chef has a fish. Ada berapa ekor? How many? Ada 2 ekor. 2 fish. There are 2 fish. Ada here means there are. Lila ada ke pisang dan nanas? Does Lila have banana and pineapple? Ada ke? Ada means have. Ke or kah in formal. Attach here for emphasis. Lila adakah? But we say Lila ada ke pisang dan nanas? Does Lila have banana and pineapple? Lila ada pisang tetapi dia tak ada nanas. Lila has bananas but she doesn't have pineapple. Ada berapa biji? How many are there? Ada 6 biji. There are seeds. Seeds of pisang, banana. Seorang guru ada berapa orang murid? One teacher has how many students? Seorang guru ada 30 orang murid. A teacher has 30 orang murid. 30 students. Orang, for people. Murid is a student, people, person. Seorang murid ada berapa buah buku? A student or a pupil has berapa, how many buah buku? A student has how many books? A student, seorang murid, ada 7 buah buku. A student has 7 books. Awak ada pembaris? Do you have rulers? Ya, saya ada. Yes, I have. Awak ada 10 batang pembaris? Do you have 10 pieces of rulers? Tak ada. Saya ada 5 batang pembaris. No, I don't have. I have 5 rulers. Batang for rod-like objects. So, pembaris ruler is rod object. Awak ada berapa batang pen? You have how many pen? Or how many pen do you have? Saya ada sebatang pen sahaja. I have just one pen. Or only one pen. Sebatang. Satu batang. Exercise. Aleng ada sebasikal. Aleng has a bicycle. So, bicycle is an object, large object. So, the answer is buah. Aleng ada sebuah basikal. Number 2. Kami ada 10 telur. We have 10 eggs. So, telur is round object. Biji. Kami ada 10 biji telur. 3. Lila ada 3 pensel. Lila has 3 pencils. So, pencil for the rod object, rod-like object, batang. Lila ada 3 batang pensel. Number 4. Dia ada 5 kelapa. He or she has 5 coconuts. So, coconut is a round object. Round object, biji. Dia ada 5 biji kelapa. 5. Mereka ada seguru. They have one teacher. Teacher is a person. Orang. Mereka ada seorang guru. 6. Sebuah rumah ada 3 bilik. One house has 3 rooms. So, bilik is a large object and also cubicle. Buah. Sebuah rumah ada 3 buah bilik. 7. Kami tidak ada itik, tetapi ada 5 ayam. We don't have ducks, but we have 5 chicken. Chicken, ayam, animal. Ekor. Kami tidak ada itik, tetapi ada 5 ekor ayam. 8. Awak ada 2 rokok. You have 2 cigarettes. Rokok, like pencil, is a rod-like object. Batang. Awak ada 2 batang rokok. 9. Hashim ada sekamus. Hashim has, is 1, a kamus, dictionary. So, kamus is a cubicle object. Buah. Hashim ada sebuah kamus. 10. Seorang guru ada 30 murid. One teacher has 30 students. Seorang guru ada 30 orang murid. 11. Saya ada se-apple sahaja. I have only one apple. Apple is a fruit, so it's biji. Saya ada sebiji apple sahaja. 12. Ahmad ada se-pen. Ahmad has a pen. Batang. Ahmad ada sebatang pen. 13. Mereka ada 2 kereta. They have 2 cars. So car is an object, large object, buah. Mereka ada 2 buah kereta. 14. Kami ada setukang masak. We have a cook or a chef. Chef is a person, orang. Kami ada seorang tukang masak. 15. Muta ada 10 kambing. Muta has 10 goats. Goats are animals, so it's ekor. Muta ada 10 ekor kambing. Translation. Terjemahan. Terjemah, it means translate. Terjemahan, translation. 1. She has 3 pineapples. Dia ada 3 biji nanas. 2. You have 2 pencils. Awak ada 2 batang pensel. 3. They have 20 goats. Mereka ada 20 ekor kambing. 4. A teacher has 40 pupils. Seorang guru, a teacher, ada 40 orang murid. Has 40 pupils. 5. He has 2 rulers only. Dia ada 2 batang pembaris sahaja. 6. I have no pen, but I have 2 pencils. Saya tidak ada pen, tetapi saya ada 2 batang pensel. 7. We have no money, but we have a car. Kami tidak ada wang, or kami tidak ada duit, tetapi kami ada sebuah kereta. 8. There are 2 tables in a room. Sebuah bilik ada 2 buah meja. Or there are ada 2 tables, 2 buah meja in a room, sebuah bilik, dalam sebuah bilik. Number 9. Ahmad has 2 dictionaries. Ahmad ada 2 buah kamus. 10. We have 6 mangoes and 3 fish. Kami ada 6 biji mangga dan 3 ikan. Or you can put ekor here because ikan is an animal. Kami ada 6 biji mangga dan 3 ekor ikan. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.